Exhaust fans have become a pretty essential part of our homes. They have to be there in our kitchens and bathrooms because they remove bad odors and create ventilation where there is less scope of air moving. Nowadays, it is important to have a lot of circulation of air. So, good ventilation also prevents airborne diseases. So, overall, a good exhaust fan anywhere in your house is a very good idea. What we have for you today are 5 of the best exhaust fans that you can buy in India. These are good value for money exhaust fans and are the best brands you can get right now. At the number 5 spot, we have the Lifelong exhaust fan for your home. Now, Lifelong is a very good brand because it offers great value for money. And if you're on a tight budget, then a Lifelong exhaust fan will be a good idea because it is reliable, solid, and it comes at a lower and more affordable price. Now, this exhaust fan has a plastic body, but it is very durable. It will last for a long time, and it is plain but good looking. It is also energy efficient, and power consumption is just 22 watts. The motor has a RPM of 2000. It is overall reliable and trustworthy and will be able to handle all your needs, whether it is for your bathroom or your kitchen or any other room. The Lifelong 250mm exhaust fan can be best described as a sturdy and trustworthy exhaust fan. At the number 4 spot, we have the Orient Electric Ventilator DX. Orient is a very well-known brand in India. This fan is high quality and it also has a shutter which automatically goes to on or off position as per the exhaust fan's working. And this exhaust fan has a resin body which makes it very durable and also pretty easy to clean. Overall, the fan is also easy to clean. You get it in 2 basic models. One has a sweep of 200mm. The other model has a sweep of 250mm. It has an air delivery of 13 cubic meters per minute, and the maximum speed RPM is 1250. It comes with a 1-year warranty and has a 5-blade design. It is small, but it is powerful and also has good looks. It is not very noisy. One small concern can be low airflow. At the number 3 spot, we have the Usha Crisp Air ventilating fan. Usha, as you know, is one of the best brands in India, and their products are always high quality and reliable. This particular brand model, Usha Crisp Air, is one of the highest selling exhaust fans in India. This exhaust fan has an automatic shutter and they are pretty much noiseless. This is mid-range in terms of price and has a power rating of 40 watts. The fan has a sweep of 200mm and its maximum RPM is 1250. The body is plastic. The body and the blades are plastic and they are rust proof, easy to clean. This exhaust fan comes with a 1-year warranty and it is sleek and stylish and very low noise. You won't find any color options. That can be the only disadvantage with this particular exhaust fan. At the number 2 spot, we have the Luminous Vento Deluxe exhaust fan. Luminous is a well-known brand in the electronics market in India. This particular exhaust fan has a very high quality and durable motor with copper windings that works very well even in low voltage conditions. A unique feature of this exhaust fan is the fan is designed in such a way that it offers a wider conical spread of the breeze into all corners of the room. It is very effective in your kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or your office or anywhere. Since the fan has a high sweep, you will always feel that it is working very efficiently and well. Its maximum speed is 1300 RPM and it has a sweep of 250mm. Power rating is 40 watts and air delivery is 720 cubic meters per hour. This exhaust fan has a plastic body and has an auto closing guard. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, works well in low voltage conditions. It only comes in one color option, which is white. At the very top of our list is the Havells Ventilaire DB exhaust fan. This exhaust fan has a motor which has copper windings and also has a double ball bearing assembly. Because of this construct, there is very minimal wear and tear in this exhaust fan. Being Havells, the construction and make is very solid, and since it is durable and solid, it is slightly heavier. It has a metallic construction and it has a 4-blade design. This 4-blade design effectively throws out the air and ensures that your room is clean, comfortable and airy at all times. Because of its higher quality and effectiveness, it is priced little higher than the others. It has a pretty good sweep of 300mm and the air delivery is 1850 cubic meters per hour. It has 80 watts power rating, and it has a special bird guard attachment. And this is the only exhaust fan in the list which comes with a 2-year warranty, and it has a really heavy duty motor which lasts for a long time and is quite durable, and comparatively it has excellent air delivery and efficiency. The only con is that it's slightly more expensive than the others. This brings us to the end of our list of the best exhaust fans in India. I'm sure out of these 5 exhaust fans, you'll find one that suits your needs perfectly. We hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe.